VXN News is reporting tonight on the devastating aftermath of a powerful typhoon that has ripped through the Philippines. Today, footage emerged showing personal residents beginning the arduous and heartbreaking task of cleaning up after what many are calling a total loss. Entire communities have been flattened, with homes reduced to rubble and essential infrastructure severely damaged, raising serious humanitarian concerns about access to clean water, food, and medical care. Early reports indicate a significant number of displaced individuals, and the full extent of the casualties is still being assessed as rescue efforts continue to be hampered by debris and damaged roads. This typhoon is the latest in a string of increasingly severe weather events in the region, leading experts to warn of the growing impact of climate change on Southeast Asia and raising broader regional implications for disaster preparedness and resource allocation. Neighboring countries are reportedly mobilizing aid, but the scale of the devastation suggests a long and difficult road to recovery for the affected communities. Thank you for listening. Please follow or subscribe to get more updates from VXN News.
Uh, 12 inches o ang kapal ng putik doon sa loob. Saka tubig. Kaya ang tubig umabot hanggang bubong. Tingnan mo yun, no? Kaya iba, oh.
Gym na ni workout ba? Workout na ni ako yun ba? Kaya sa Carlos na. Kumahan mo kayo ba?
Mahal rin po, sa ngayon, wala halo-halo eh. Lungkot at saka kung paano makarecover ulit. Kasi total loss. Wala kaming may salba. Walang damit, wala. Kaya yun na lang ang namin. Kung sinong tumulong sa amin, magpasalamat lang kami kung ano. Yung masin dito. Ayan. Yung motor ko isa. Ano naman ko? Lag naman dito. Biglang pumasok yung tubig, kaya wala kaming nadala. Kaya first time ito nangyari dito sa almost 16 years akong nakatira dito. Ngayon lang ito nangyari. Ito isang silid ko. Ito wala, ubos lahat, sira na lahat. Ito component, subwoofer, speaker niya, doon ang component sa ibaba. Sira na lahat yan. Wala na, hindi na. Kasi lubog sa tubig at saka putik. Kan lagi yang mana? Lap ini. 12 inches o ang kapal ng putik doon sa loob. Saka tubig. Kaya ang tubig umabot hanggang bubong. Tingnan mo yun, no? Kaya iba, oh. Mahal na rin po. So sa ngayon, wala halo-halo eh. Lungkot at saka ano, kung paano makarecover ulit. Kasi totalos. Hindi, wala kaming may salba. Walang damit, wala. Kaya yun na lang ang ano namin. Kung sinong tumulong sa amin, magpasalamat lang kami kung ano. Yung washing machine dito. Ayan. Yung motor ko isa. Ano naman ko? Lag naman ito.